Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Turbo. Wanted to make a quick video. I tweeted about this quite a bit yesterday, about a lot of people shorting Turbo, potentially this being the bottom. So I thought, why not make a video about it as well? After we got some nice bullish momentum, of course, throughout the entire market, but Turbo has gained some momentum on its own as well. We'll talk about that. I actually tried a little bit of a buy earlier this morning, so I did something like this, I believe. We'll see where it goes. It's a very small position size, and if we don't get that breakout we need right here above 3650 soon, I'll close it. But if we do something like this, like it's a risk reward of over 5, which is something I will not leave laying around, all right? But all right, no, the thing is that the thing I think is interesting about Turbo is its history, all right? It has a history of these pumps where basically it's bearish, it's dumping, everybody thinks it's dead. And then what you tend to see is that quite a lot of shorts are coming in. And then all of a sudden, those shorters will be outclassed by people who are buying. And then you get a short liquidation, or you get a ton of short liquidations, and then we top out, and then we start to dump and dump and dump and dump down again. That's basically what's going on. So what you saw yesterday is that here you can see with the open interest is that a lot of people were shorting this decrease in price. And at the same point of time, I'm looking at some other trades here because no, I'm not sure. All right, but all right. So a lot of short positions right here were opened. You see a negative CVD. With the open interest going up, and then all of a sudden it's relatively quiet for some time, and we see some long positions being opened and a bit of a short to long conversion this morning. Now you can also see that some of those positions are closed again, so that's also why I would say wait for some confirmation. I mean, my short or my long, excuse me, was probably a bit premature. If you purely technically look at this, what you need to do is you need to break above this level right here. So that's at 0.00363, right? That's the weakest resistance level. So as far as on the 4-hour time frame, we have not closed above that, we are technically not bullish. So if you really want to buy this, I would wait for two things. I would wait for either I would wait for end that breakout. And then apart from that, also some sort of continuation of bullish momentum, right? Momentum seems to be up a lot, but it's a lot of shorts. If we can actually turn that, if we can actually see the open interest increase even more, or we see a lot of short positions being closed, then we can first of all get the breakout, and then we can actually start up some sort of a rally. So I think we have the chance to start some sort of a rally here. That's also why I bought. But the thing is, the truth is that at this point of time, purely technically, we are still trending down, all right? And with the loss of momentum in the last 2 hours or so, I would also say don't buy this now, all right? Wait for more confirmation, and then there's a high chance of getting some sort of a short squeeze, and then you can think about buying. But at this point of time, we're just in that dumping phase, and we got some momentum here. But we haven't even broken above the 28 EMA. So I would not follow me. It's a very low position size. I will probably close at entry if we don't do anything soon. If you want to buy this, wait for the breakout. If you want to short this, I would not do that. But that's up to you. Maybe if you really want to short this, wait for the breakout below 3450 right here, because then we have have some sort of a bearish confirmation, and then you could short it. But that's up to you. Personally, I wouldn't do that. But no, due to the technical situation, I would say this is most likely. But that doesn't mean that it's interesting to short. I think it's more interesting to put a price alert at 3650 and wait for that to break. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.